Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By Isesaki FM. Reports of whooping cough, a severe, prolonged cough, remain high in Gunma Prefecture. The prefecture announced that there were 151 cases for the week ending August 24. The cumulative total since January has reached 2,294. The previous week, cases fell below 100 due to medical facilities being closed for the Obon holiday, but are now increasing again. A 5th grade boy in Isesaki City began coughing noticeably at night in late July. And an examination by his family doctor revealed that he had whooping cough. The Gunma Prefectural Infection Control Center urges people to continue to closely monitor developments. If you have symptoms, seek medical attention as soon as possible.